Hello students, now take out your English notebook. Today we will do work in our English notebook. Okay, so this is an English notebook. Please open it. And ask your mama papa to mention your English notebook in this way. Like you have to mention today's date over here, that is 19, 10, 20. And you have to write practice and classwork. Okay, students, we will do recap over here. For capital G and small g, capital H and small h, capital I and small I. And ask your mama and papa to put dots in this way, because capital G we start writing from the red line and small g we start writing from the blue line. And capital H start from the red line and small h start from the blue line. And capital I start from the red line and small I start from the blue line. Okay, and the last you have to write remark and sign also. Okay, and please mark this line, standing line, with pencil. Now let's start how to write capital G. As we had done, just do the recap for this. Start from the blue line to this third line, that is blue one. Make one right open curve and go up, then go inside. Capital G. And for small g you have to make a small right open curve, come down and go inside like this. Speak with me. G g girl, G g grapes, G g gun, G g goose, G g gate, See students, in this way you have to complete your work in a very good handwriting. Okay, if you will do neat and clean work, then ma'am will give you stars. Okay, fine. See, capital G is done. Now let's start to capital H and small h. Now for writing this, we have to start from the red line and come to the third line, that is blue one. Again make one standing line from red line to the third line, that is also blue one. Make one sleeping line, capital H. And for small h, again make a standing line. Then from here, okay, in the middle of blue line, go up to the blue line, come down. Small h. H her hand. Speak with me. H her hand. H her hill. H her haggy hawk. H her hat. H her hand. H her hammer. H her horse. See students, in this way you have to write capital and small h and complete your work in a very good handwriting. Fine. Now let's do the next letter, that is letter I, capital I and small I. And for this we will write capital I, standing line from red line to blue line, stay and make small sleeping lines. Okay, it's not too much big, it's small sleeping line. Then for small I, make one standing line from blue line to blue line and put word dot. Okay, and speak with me. I E iguana, I E ice cream, I E invitation, I E inhaler, I E ice cream, I E injection, I E ink pot. Okay students, in this way you have to complete your work. Okay, like this. And this work also you have to submit on Google Classroom by 5 PM in PDF form. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.